Okay. See, next concept is string concatenation. Okay, writing the output here, as I said, I explained, right? So this echo is the keyword we're going to use to display the statement, display the output at the browser side, right? So we can use this echo in two ways, by using the brackets without using bracket. That is shortcut. So if you use the bracket, then only one statement you can execute, you can display at the browser side. Okay, if you not use that flower bracket, you can use the comma over here, then second statement. Okay, at a time you can display more than one statement by using this statement, right? By using this syntax. Okay, echo, right? So now string concatenation. Okay, string concatenation means I am declaring one variable, right? And in echo I am not using, right, I am not using that particular statement. I am trying to get that value from this variable and displaying the output, right? How to do this? Go here, string concatenation, you know, right? String concatenation, basically, right, it's going to join a particular statements. Okay, it will join some words in the particular statement. Okay, what we do, question mark php, the starting tag of the PHP. I'm declaring what? One variable here. Declaring one variable a equals, so value I'm creating. I'm giving value like SVIT there. Okay. Then question mark close. Then I'm using what? HTML. Okay, we can use this HTML. We can write this code under this HTML, or we can directly write the PHP. So you already seen an example, right? A simple PHP program. I'm trying to show to access this value in HTML statements. Okay, in HTML structure, right? So HTML here, body, h1 tag. Right? In this, we are trying to write the PHP. Okay, PHP. Then use echo command, then welcome to, right? I'm going to access this value SPIT here. So at last in the browser, what result I have to get? I will get welcome to. I'm going to concatenate this value to this statement, right? So to do that, I'm using dollar symbol, this, and the variable, because this value we have stored it in the variable a. So a, right? Then close h1 body, then HTML. Save this program. Save as. So it directs towards where? To the server. There we have created one folder by the name PHP. So here I will give name like PG4 program 4 dot PHP. Save. Okay. How to run this program? We have to go at the browser side. So localhost. So localhost. Right. This is the server side. Then PHP, there I have created one folder by the name PHP. In that program name is program 4.php. Enter, get this. Right, we have concatenated. We have joined this keyword, now joined this variable value to my statement. This is what a string concatenation. This we can do normally like this, or we can use the by using dot symbol, dot keyword, or by using comma. This concatenation we can do in three ways. One, without using anything, just you can declare the variable. But what we have to be assured here, the variable name what we given, right? The same variable name we have to use. Okay, if you use capital array, if you use the small array, then the variable will be different. We have to make sure that what variable we have declared as it is, we have to give over there, right? That is one thing. So So we can use the dot or we can use comma. So basically what we do, we are not using anything. Welcome to dollar, that is this value we are getting SP8, right? This is what a string concatenation is. String concatenation. Okay. Yes. If you have any doubt, please do ask.